Okay, well, I haven't really done many YouTube videos at all yet, so I'm going to do one now. I am going to show you some of my favorite Mac OS X apps. So, starting with, it's a pretty cool one, SpaceSuite. Okay? So, what it does, I'll just minimize that, allows you to have different backgrounds, different desktop wallpapers for all of your spaces. Alright, that's pretty cool. So yeah, then next you've probably heard of it, VirtualBox. It's like VMware Fusion or Parallels Desktop. But yeah, but it's free, and yeah, so it allows you to run different operating systems within your operating system. That's also that's also available for Windows and Linux. So, well, yeah, I think it's for other, yeah. But anyway, yeah, Windows and Linux and Mac OS. So that's VirtualBox. This is a free torrent downloading app called Transmission. So yeah, good, it's actually pretty good torrent download. So that's a good one. And WinClone, that's what this is called. It allows you, like, if you have a Windows partition, you can back that up and restore it. So it's a good backup utility for your Windows partition on your Mac. So if you're using Windows for Boot Camp, then yeah, use that, like, to back it up. That's a pretty good one. I've done it a few times. You can back it up to an external hard drive, or you can back it up to your internal hard drive. You don't need a separate partition. It just saves it as a file. Then you restore it when you want to put it back on there. It also helps if you want to make the Windows partition bigger. You back it up, delete it, make a new one of bigger size, then restore this, and you'll have a bigger hard drive. And it picks everything up. Next is GIMP. Runs on X11. It's just like Photoshop. Edit your photos. You can draw if you want, like this. Yeah, scale. It's got the whole thing. So yeah, that's like it's sort of a free Photoshop, you could call it, but it's GIMP. It's also for Linux. I know that. Yeah. So that's that one. No, I don't want to save that. You've probably all heard of this. It's called Wine. Now it allows you to run a fair lot of Windows applications on your Mac, like, natively. So it puts into that, and you can put the shortcuts on your desktop or here. So I see you have the Steam link for the Windows one, but I have it for Mac, so I mean it's not exactly. I don't use it. I never have really. But yeah, that's that. So it works fully. It works. But I don't really use it that much because all the apps that I want to use for it, like, because I want to use the Windows Live Messenger, that does not work on Wine. Yeah, it just hasn't been. Yeah, it doesn't work properly yet, so I use AMSN. That's like, it's pretty good. It's not as, yeah, it's not nowhere near as good as Windows Live Messenger for Windows, but yeah, it's heaps better than the Microsoft Messenger for Mac. Like, because Microsoft Messenger for Mac doesn't do anything. You can't do anything for it. So yeah, it's heaps better. It doesn't. This still doesn't support video and audio, but yeah, well, it used to, but Microsoft changed something, but I don't know what the deal is, but yeah, so it doesn't support that, but it does support some things that the new Microsoft Messenger beta doesn't. It has handwriting. I know that, but you know the Microsoft Messenger beta, if you've tried it, yeah, well, not exactly the best, and you can't have display pictures and all that, which really annoys me. I like having display pictures, I don't know, yeah. But, that's probably that, and then we got, Dropbox. It shows up in your Finder as the Dropbox, or you can browse, yeah. What you can do is you can share it with friends, so me and Adobe Geek, from Techie, yeah, we, do files through that. You can share files with your friends, and you can sync files through the other computers. You get like 2 gig start off, I think. Or was it 1? Yeah, 2 gig. Oh, there's something wrong there. Oh, but anyway, I'm pretty sure it's 2 gig. Yeah, so yeah, there's the Dropbox thing up there. You have the Dropbox toolbar thing. So that year. Now what else? There's a preference pan that's pretty cool. It is called Secrets. You may have heard of it. Yeah, it's pretty much just like gets heaps of secrets, like tweak your Mac. That's what it is. Heaps of different tweaks for different apps and apps you have, and it's constantly getting updated. So if you update it, yeah, because cheats are constantly being submitted, it's on like an online database. They just keep getting submitted. So you just it does get updated. So it's not all old ones you get on there. It's like no new ones, but it does keep. There is new ones. Does get updated, so there is new ones. So yeah, there's speed tweaks and all that. Yeah, some cool stuff on there. Yeah, I don't use this at all. Yeah, got to boot it. Start that into 32-bit mode. Don't know why. No, probably just the thing. But yeah, turn it on. It's customizable thing. Yeah, crosshair, line, ring, cross, circle. Yeah, opacity and size and all that. You can adjust that. Yeah, pulsation, like when moving, like you can make it like that, or yeah, you can. Yeah, anyway, yeah, there's shortcuts for that. I think that's about it. I don't think there's anything else that I use that much that I would show you. I think that's about it. There is CPU accelerator. There isn't too much of a big boost about it, so I'm not gonna go through that. I do have antivirus even though I'm on a Mac, but just to be safe, because there are viruses out there for Mac, I would just want to be 100% safe, but I have never, ever encountered a virus for Mac. I just go onto sites carelessly and I don't get viruses, so. But yeah, there are viruses out there for Mac, so I do have this just in case. You shouldn't get one, but there are viruses out there. It's not true what they say. Say that you can't get viruses at all on Mac. You can get viruses, but there's just not many of them at all. Like, hardly any at all. You probably won't find any yeah, but there are viruses, so. I got iAntivirus. So, yeah, it's not much use to me, but I run it anyway. It doesn't, yeah. I think that's about it, so bye and peace out.